In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox Error Code 280, which is usually accompanied by a disconnected error message. So in order to fix this, you first need to head over to your start menu and we're going to search for run and then click on the run icon. In the search box, type in the word temp and then hit enter. And you need to press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the files and folders inside of here. Right click and then select the trash icon to delete them. If you get this message pop up, select do this for all current items and hit continue. If there are a few leftover files and folders that can't be deleted, then that's absolutely fine. We can just close out of this window. And you're going to head back over to the start menu and search for run once more. Click on the run icon again and this time type in %temp and hit enter. Once again, we're going to select everything on our keyboard. Then you're going to right click and also click the trash icon. Once again, select do this for all current items and then just delete all of the contents inside of here. Just like before, if there are a few files and folders that can't be deleted, then we can just close out of this window and leave them as B. Once you've deleted all of your temporary files, you then need to head over to your start menu, search for settings, and click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select apps, click on installed apps, and using the search feature at the top, just search for Roblox. And then you need to uninstall any references inside of here relating to Roblox. So on my system, I have 3 different Roblox applications, so I'll need to go ahead and uninstall all of these. So just click on these 3 horizontal dots and hit uninstall. Click on the uninstall button and then give that a few seconds to uninstall. Once you've uninstalled all of the Roblox players, you then need to head back over to the start menu, search for run again and click on the run icon. This time type in $local app data $, and hit enter. Scroll down this list of folders and check for a folder called Roblox. If you do have a folder inside of here called Roblox, then you also need to delete this by right clicking it and selecting the trash icon. If you don't have this folder, then you can just ignore this step. So now that we've completely uninstalled Roblox from our system, you then need to head over to an internet browser. Head over to the official Roblox.com website, make sure you're logged into your account, and then just go ahead and try to join any of these games. So click on the play button here. So this should detect that Roblox is no longer installed on your system. All you're going to do is select download and install Roblox. Click on the Roblox installer and then just go through the steps on the screen to reinstall Roblox to your device. Once Roblox has been reinstalled, that should have now fixed the error code 280. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.